Lay with your head in my lap. It was never the two of us like that.
Hi friends! So today I'm going to be doing a vlog, and I've been watching a ton of vlogs, so I was like, let me just hop on that bandwagon. I guess you could kind of say this is Vlogmas, even though this is gonna be the only vlog. But yeah, I really want to do Vlogmas, but my life is so boring that I feel like no one would want to watch that. So today is going to be an interesting day. I'm going to try to be really productive. A couple of my friends actually went home to just do their own thing, and if you guys don't know, if you guys haven't seen my other vlogs, like my room is literally like the common room. Like everyone comes to our room, we hang out. But right now I'm alone and it feels like so weird. So I think today I'm just going to take time for myself, do everything that I need to do. And I'm kind of excited, even though this is like really foreign to me because I usually always just have people around. So like being alone today, like this morning, just getting ready was really like ooh. But I'm just going to show you guys my outfit today. It's not special. You know, it's holiday spirit. I need to look holiday-y, I guess. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm wearing. So my mirror is being not fun to me right now, like the lighting's super weird, so I'm just gonna show you guys like this. I'm wearing this top that I got from Goodwill, and it has Santa on it, but he's all tatted up, like he looks awesome. So I think it's a really like spunky like shirt. I don't know, I'm trying to be like edgy. I'm wearing just normal mom jeans. Wow, this lighting, bad. Okay, yeah, there we go. I'm wearing just these mom jeans that I got from PacSun, and then I'm wearing I haven't shaved in a while, oops. I'm wearing these socks that are from Target, I think, and then my Mary Jane's Doc Martens. I love them. I feel like they make, sorry, always doing that, but I feel like even when my outfit's like ugly, when I wear those shoes, it just looks 10 times better. So first thing on the list today is to do laundry. My laundry literally looks like Santa's sack. Like it's so big. I have not done my laundry in a long time. Sorry, I'm gross. It's just a lot of work. So I gotta do that, and I'll be back with you guys. I hate doing my laundry, but literally, since it's like actually a sack, I just drag it along like this. So yay, college. I'm kind of dumb. I'm mildly annoyed with myself. I literally went all the way down to the laundry room, put all my clothes in, and then I find out I didn't bring a Tide Pod. So I have to go all the way back up and then put it, like it's just such an inconvenience. Oh, also good news, I'm hanging out with Lev today. I think we're just gonna hang out the entire day. So yeah, I don't know what else to do. When he comes back from class, we're just gonna go get some breakfast. I mean, it is noon, but this is what college does to you. Like you just like starve yourself, and like you just don't remember what time to eat. So yeah. I think afterwards I need to, actually I don't know, I have to study for some finals. Finals week is next week. By the time you guys see this, I think it will be finals week, so wish me luck guys. I'm definitely failing. Well, I definitely need to study for stats and econ because those are my two hardest classes. I like struggle really hard with just the concepts and stuff. Like, I mean, I have like a good grade in the class. Like I have A's in both classes, but like they're A minuses, so I want to keep like the A. Like I don't want to have B plus when I'm so close to having an A, you know. I'm really hard on myself like that. But yeah, that's the to-do list for today. I need to also mail out a ton of packages. I have just packages in here for my scrunchie business, and I'm really excited because you guys are really liking it. I actually launched a couple Christmas themed scrunchie designs, and this is one of them. It's just like an ugly Christmas sweater one, and it actually sold out on the first day of launching. I just don't know, like I was so excited, and I was almost certain it wasn't gonna sell out till like December like 20th. I was like, okay, I'm gonna like do this promotion, like people are gonna like buy it, they're gonna love it. But you guys loved it on the first day, so it was so nice. I felt so loved. I also have this Santa scrunchie. You guys can't really see it right now because she's a little crumpled up, but I really like it too, and that already sold out because I always wear it with this shirt that I'm wearing. Sorry, the lighting's bad. How many times do I have to say that? My friends make fun of me all the time for apologizing for lighting, but I can't help it, alright? But today I'm just wearing my Space Galaxy scrunchie because I was wearing a lot of red today and I didn't want people to think I was like that crazy about Christmas, even though I am, but I don't have to project that to the world. So this is a really long clip, I'm sorry. There's the mailbox. Oh my god, sorry, this is so shaky.
Hi, Lily.
We love her.
Can't see anything. So bright.
With Lev now too. Oh, you're super zoomed in. Hello. Okay, we're at Broken Yoke Cafe right now. It's on the meal plan, so yay. I got French toast and as a meal, and it's so yummy. I get it like every time. Lev, what did you get?
I got waffles and chicken with eggs Benedict. I got like this caramel latte. So,
She's
you know,
cute. Love that.
It's good.
Yay, hello.
I'm hungry.
I know, we're starving and cold, so we're gonna eat now. Yeah, is that okay?
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Okay, can I see it?
How do I like...
Now on to the productive time of my day. I have to do my stats homework and study and do my econ and do all the other homework. Not excited. And I may or may not have just been sitting here on my phone for 10 minutes procrastinating. But yeah, I'll get back to you guys when I'm done. Okay, so I'm done with stats and I was gonna do my women's studies homework. Like, it's like a group project though, and I texted yesterday like what topic we're gonna do because it's our final, so we just have to talk about like a feminist like movement and stuff, but no one replied to me, so I can't do my homework yet. I think I'm just gonna take this time to watch some YouTube because I deserve it. I did a whole entire like 15 minutes of work, so yeah, this is gonna be fun. I've been obsessed with Acacia Brinley's vlogs. I love her baby Brinley. She's so cute, and I also love Rosie. Most adorable babies in the world. Okay, so here's all my laundry. I'm doing this on Alex's bed because my bed's all the way up there, and if you think I'm gonna bring my laundry up there, you're wrong, and I'm not gonna do it on the floor. So here we go, YouTube magic. Yay, we're done. Hey guys, so it may or may not be 7:40 right now, and I may or may not have taken a really long nap, but I'm well rested now. I wanted today to be productive, but I mean, like, I tried my hardest. Like, I tried to do all my women's studies homework, but I couldn't do that because no one wanted to reply to me. I did my stat. I'm okay. But Lev and I are gonna head out to dinner.
Hey.
And we're gonna
hear that sneeze?
We're gonna head out to dinner, so come along with us. We're at Epic Wings and things now. Feeling just a little awkward vlogging because there's so many people, but I wanted to update you guys on what has happened. Super cute. But Lev and I were like walking here and we just got bombarded and surrounded by frat guys and like sororities.
It's really uncomfortable, low-key.
I was the most uncomfortable I've ever been because they were like, it was like formal, I guess, and they were like super, like all like super touchy and like smelled really, like they reeked of like alcohol. Did you smell it?
I heard like a little whip.
Yeah.
You know?
And they were like so good, but yeah, now waiting for our food. I'm excited. I haven't had wings and things in like weeks, but this guy over here has it.
I have it almost every day, and not good. Love that for me.
Alright, so I got lemon pepper strips. I got this last time in the vlog, if you guys saw. And then Lev, what did you get?
I got the same thing. I got lemon pepper, but like the chicken fries.
Cute.
So, like,
she's big. Oh my god.
I know, it's a lot.
Hi?
It's like fries. I don't know this. It's like House Island sauce or something. And like cheese. It's really good. I recommend.
And then I got Coke right here, but not trying to waste some plastic. I'm like, this man.
I got root beer, so.
Yay, cute. cute. I'm so hungry, so let's feast. Alrighty guys, we're at Trader Joe's and I need to get some bagels because tomorrow is like the weekend and I don't have like meal money on the weekends, so I'm just gonna eat some bagels because I'm poor. Where's the everything bagels?
Well, those gluten-free. Do you like
Ew, gluten-free. Oh no.
You like really roasted people with
Oh no. Well, I mean, if I don't have to have gluten-free, I'm not gonna like, I guess I'm gonna have to settle.
Wait, this is all gluten-free, sis.
Huh.
So.
Hello? Maybe I did have gluten-free ones last time. Okay, I guess. Jeez, last time it was only $3. Hello? They really did this to me, huh?
Yeah, I don't know, sis.
No. Okay, back from Trader Joe's, and this is my haul. Ooh, yay! I got yogurt, peaches and cream, and mango and cream.
Wait, aren't you lactose intolerant?
I'm not like that lactose intolerant. I'm like okay, I can handle this. But then don't worry, I'm not gonna only eat this for breakfast. Like I have a ton of granola bars and stuff, but it's just a little extra add-on. So yeah, hee. Okay, I was climbing down my ladder. I've just been sitting around with Lev. We've just been talking and it's been super cute. He's in the bathroom right now, so that's why he's not here. But I've just been sitting around watching YouTube. I'm actually watching the Tim Tracker. I'm obsessed with their channel. I love Tim and Jen. They're so cute, like literally I love them. They're the type of YouTuber where they could post anything in the world and I will watch it. They post every day, so it's honestly a blessing. Like I don't really care about the Orlando Science Center, but I want to watch it just because it's them and I love them. I've also been watching Emily Enchanted, which I love. Like her vlogs are so cute and like her vlogmas like is really like inspirational. Like I want to make my videos like her. She's so cute. So yeah, there we are. I changed into pajamas, so I'm just like in them. I'm wearing these pants, which I think are super festive and cute, and then also wearing the socks that I've been, you know, whatever. I got a ton of Christmas socks and I was like, okay, I'm gonna do a try on haul, right? Like I have it ready. It's literally on my channel right now. I just need to publicize it. But I think I want to post this video first because I've been really obsessed with vlogs. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna push this out first. So next week, get ready for, well, next Monday. If you guys didn't know, I post every Monday. But next Monday, watch out for a try on haul. But I think I'm gonna post this one first because I think this is more like interesting. I don't know. Let me know if you guys like vlogs or if you guys like sit down videos, like hauls. Let me know. Thank you guys for tagging along with me. Today was kind of productive. It was just a nice like mellow day. I should have done more than I did, but I was tired and I wanted to sleep, so this is just like an average day for me. I'm FaceTiming Trevor. Say hi. We do this like every day, multiple times a day, because if you guys didn't know, we're in long distance. Like he's far away from me, so this is the closest we can be. We get to see each other in like what, like 9 days? Is that what it is?
I think it's 8 now.
8 now, but we haven't seen each other in like almost like a month. So that's super fun. Oh my gosh, it's not focusing on you. Camera does not like you, Trevor. But yeah, we do this like every night, so this is definitely part of my nighttime routine. Yay! Okay, say bye to the vlog.
Goodbye.
See you guys next Monday, and happy holidays. Bye.
Have yourself a merry little Christmas. I'll be with you